So I wasn't ashamed to walk with her in public because I wasn't so sure about exactly who she is, even though she done a lot of stuff. But in truth and honesty, the girl always beg me, and me just try to see the good in the girl. But as you can see, the girl constantly kept on doing stuff, constantly. And my last draw was when my best friend told me what happened. She tell me, say, she hide and give her money. And me say, and she tell me, oh, the girl call her when me drop her off from Moby and I fight to come back at town, call her. And I ball to her and I tell her things and I ask her if she want money and them something like, come the fuck on. Come on. You're sneaking behind my back calling my best friend? The problem is she not who she claims to be. It was all to get you. Yes, exactly. Exactly. She just wanted to have it in her head, say, she dated me and wanted to can tell people that, look, she dated me or she associate with me. What she talk about the artist for? What she talk about all sorts of things for? All of these things what she talk about don't make no sense at all. No at all what she say. No make no sense at all, brother. Bridget, me going public with a fucking girl, yeah. Uno say me a user. If I was a fucking user, any girl we a use, nobody would have fucking gone a fucking public hotel with a girl, yeah? Uno look into yourself, man. Eh? The people that would find one Airbnb and go with her. Any girl we a use a girl here would find one Airbnb. I went to her with a family hotel. And if anybody is being correct, I went to her to a family hotel. I did not went to her with a private villa. I did not go nowhere with her as a private villa. And I had money, could have booked somewhere that is private. I'm going to go to a family hotel with the girl. If I had a problem with her, and me did a hide her, and me did a use her, I would have gone to a private hotel with her. I would have find G-Jam or some one of them private villa there, or some one of them private place to go book. Me find private hotel go with her. If me did a hide her, if me did a use her, I'm going to find some private hotel go with her. I genuinely like that girl. I never beg her nothing at all. She tell people say me the one bag and me ask her for bag. Me never ask her for a fucking thing. You hear me say? And one day me there and the girl send me some bag, 3 bag, and me say, and she asked me which one me like. And me tell her me like the speed and she said she go buy it. Me say, oh no problem, and she did go around because she did lie when I tell her say she buy the bag give me. And she never did buy the bag yet. And then she end up go buy the bag. You see me? Everything what she buy, and she buy it off her own. I never once beg her anything at all because in truth I was trying to know who she is as a person. Me never did that try to use her as a trick, but she pretended to be a trick because she wanted to be a trick. And then she want to act like fiance. You are somebody engaged. What you offer them friend money for? What you call them friend and a ball to them friend for? What you call them friend and where you push money from them friend while you and it all are go out and have lunch and have dinner? What you do all of that for? What you do all of that for? You're not to be trusted. You did have your ulterior motive. You're sick.